Hey guys, we're back. We're in the second video of the series. And now we're working. So we're left here. You can click this and it loads to your computer. So it'll show up a Windows that should be right here. And then you could just save. And save just saves it to your computer and it should something should show up right here. In a share project, uh basically a share project just makes it public. In this part, you can change the name of your game, which I'm gonna call it test subject. In edit mode, you could turn on turbo mode, which we'll not talk about the series in this episode, and or restore a costume. For example, if I delete sprite 1, this should not show up for you. Oh, wait, did they edit that? Alright, so for example, if I delete Sprite, that may not show up for you. Oh wait, so this may not show up for you where it says, yeah. But then I can click edit, restore Sprite, it's back. But I'm gonna keep it out. And now C project does this, so then you could see it. In tutorial, basically you could do tutorials on the game. Like for example, chase game, add sprites, yeah. They basically have all of it. But alright, let's get into the favorite part, code. So click right here. And you see there's so many sprites you could just look at. In this episode, we're gonna talk about these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sprites. So just drag in a one click. So click it and you drag it without let it go. And this basically you click it in a safe project. Yeah. And so what you do, so this is the green flag. When you click it, this will run. And what we're going idea, so when click we could do move 10 steps, which moves it up or down. So let's make it change it by -10. Move steps -10, drag it there. And a cool feature is if you see a shadow, that's where it'll place it for you. Alright? So every time the green flags click, it moves down because it moved to -10 step basically means that. But this right here, let's keep this here. Connect it -10. And let's make it one space click. We will turn, which turn basically is this. Will turn itself. Yeah, basically that's what it is. So you could turn. Yeah, it basically just turns you. So yeah, so ready? Click green flag. Space. Every time I click space, this runs. You can see it run. A yellow outline should go over it. It's in this moves. Alright. So now, this does the opposite way. So this block does the opposite way. Ready? Yeah, it turns the other way. But what you do, so if you don't want a block, you click it, drag it to here, let it go, and it's gone. So what you could do is click motion and it'll show up. And when you click event, these will show up. So when the sprite clicked, let's for example turn 20 degrees. Ready? Every time I click, it turns. Every time I press space, it does that. But you click this, it should say stop. Click stop and it stops. So now since we have it, let's talk about this is our backdrop, which this is our backdrop. And next, I'm just gonna color in it. Ready? So this is 1, and now let's make 2. Nothing. So let's drag in our 1 click. Also, what you do is you can click duplicate, and it'll create the same copy of the sprite. Yeah. So now let's do 1 click. Click looks, and it should be this. Switch backdrop 2. Connect it, and now click backdrop 1. Alright, but that's the end.